Hello students, welcome to Saurabh Sir's classes. Today we are going to solve few logical reasoning questions based on NABARD examination. So let us begin with our very first question. So here is our first question. It says, which of the following should come next in the given sequence of numbers? So here you can see we have a sequence of number and we have four options with four different numbers, and we need to find which number will come next in the sequence. So first let's observe the sequence. Here you can see we have 2 4 3 2 4 3 1 2 4 3 1 2 4 3. So you can see what is coming frequently. Here you can observe that 2 4 3 is coming very frequently. We have 2 4 3, again we have 2 4 3, and here you can see we have again a 2 4 3. Here also we have 2 4 3, and here also we have a 2 4 3. So if we remove these 2 4 3s, what are we left? Here we do not have anything between first 2 4 3s. Then we have a 1, then we have 1 2, then we have 1 2 3. So after this, what should we have? This should be 1 2 3 and 4. So let us see this again. So here you can see we have 2 4 3, then we have 2 4 3 1, then we have 2 4 3 1 2, then we have 2 4 3 1 2 3, then we have 2 4 3 1 2 3 4. So here you can see we should have a 4 after this. So you can see in the option we have option number C as 4, therefore C will be the correct answer to this question. And if they required more numbers, what can we have after this? We do not require in this question, but what can we have after this? You can see we have 1 2 3 4. So again we will start with 2 4 3, and we will have 1 2 3 4 5. Again we will start with 2 4 3, and the sequence will go on, but we require only one number which will come next after the sequence, and the answer will be option number C, which is number 4. So let us move on to the second question, that is question number 2 here. So question 2 says, how many pairs of letters are there in the word security, each of which has as many alphabets between them as there are in the English alphabetical series? Okay, so this question is quite easy, but it is framed in a very tricky manner. So first let understand what the question wants to say. So we have a word security. So here you can see we have has as many alphabets between them as there are in English alphabetical series. So as you know, English alphabetical series is A, B till Z. So we have each, assume we have A, B and C. So what is the difference? What is the number of alphabets between A and C? There is only one alphabet between A and C, which is B. So here also we need to match the numbers of alphabets in between two alphabets who come in English alphabetical series, as well as they are in security with the same number of alphabets between them. So here you can see we have S. So if we go alphabetically, if we go English alphabetical series, if we assume, then after S what can we have? We will have S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So you can see E and T both are not matching, so we cannot consider this. Here also you can see there is nothing matching. Here also no alphabet is matching, but here you can see the last alphabet. Just you can see here. Okay, I wrote it wrong. This will be X, Y and then Z. So here we have X, Y and then Z. So you can see none of the alphabets are matching when we write it in alphabetical order, so we will not consider S. Now let us move on to the next alphabet. So here we have, so the next alphabet is E. So after E in alphabetical order, what can we have? It will be F, G, H, I, J, K. So here you can easily see we have one common alphabet in the word security as well as in English alphabetical series, and no other alphabets are matching. So we will consider, here we will have E, I. So let me write this here. So let us draw lines over here so that we can represent this very easily. So here we have security, and here we have E and I are matching. Now you can see none other are matching, so let's skip E and move on to the next letter. So this will be, so we have next letter as C. So after C, what can we have? It will be D, E, F, G, H. So you can see again we have nothing in common. Now no letter is matching with each other, therefore we will not consider C also. We will move on to the next letter, that is U. So after U, let us write only the letters we are left with. So after U we have R, I, T, Y. So let's count. After U we can have U, then we have V, W, X and Y. So here you can see we have nothing matching, but last letter, that is Y, is matching. So here we will make another combination which is U and Y. So if we start with U, Y is matching with it. So here also we have got one. Now let's check others. We are left with only 4 last letters which are R, I, T, Y. So in this, with R, when we start with R, we have S, T, U. So you can see we have again a common letter in between. So we have again a combination between R and T. So here also we have R and T. Now you can see we have no other combinations, I, S and Y, U. So this is also gone. Now we are left with only 3 letters which is I, T, Y. So after I, we have J and K. So you can see we have no combination, and after leaving I, we are left with only T and Y. So you can see here after T we have U, which is again not matching with Y. So we have taken all the common alphabets and no other common alphabet is there which matches with the English alphabetical series. So you can, we want to know which, here we in the question you can see how many pairs of letters are there. So how many you can count here directly, which is 1, 2 and 3. So our answer will be 3, that is 3 pairs of letters are there which are in the same distance as in the alphabetical order in the word security. So our answer will be 3, that is option number C. So option C is the correct answer to this question. Now let's move on to the next question, that is question number 3 here. So question 3 seems to be a quite easy question. Now let's check what is it. We have, in a certain code, star is written as $5 asterisk 2 and Tor is written as $32 and at the rate. Now how is oats written in that code? So we have given 2 words and their codes, so we need to find how oats will be written in that code. So let's write the words and their codes. So star is 5, then we have dollar, then we have asterisk, then we have 2 and then we have TORE, and we have for this again, as you can see. Okay, so first let me write this, then at the rate. So here you can see we have few common things which says T, dollar, and here also in Tor also you can see we have T and dollar, and then we have in R, you can see common also we have 2 and R2. So basically these things say that each alphabet has been given a different kind of symbol, because you can see T has been allotted dollar because in both the words T is associated with dollar only, and R is associated with number 2 because in both the words R is associated with 2 only. So basically we can find the code of oats just by matching the letters. So we have OATS. You can see in Tor that O has been there and O is represented by 3. So this will be 3. Then we have A. So in star you can see we have A as asterisk. So this will be asterisk, and T, as you can see we have dollar in both, so this will be dollar, and we have S, which is you can see in star, which is 5. So this will be 5. So basically this is the code for oats. Now let's match this with our answer. So you can see in option number B it says 3 dollar asterisk, and this is the answer to this question. Therefore answer will be option number B. So I will like to end this video here. You will find some more logical reasoning numericals based on NABARD examination in our further videos.